car that's currently missing. We were forced to remove it as it was dragging. Additionally, the entirety of the bumper was flapping in the wind.
Hi everyone, this is our Thanksgiving road trip vlog. We are heading north to Chico, California for Thanksgiving and then making a few stops in the Bay Area. Daniel's family. Hi Matt! Bree! Second! Hi! He's vlogging too! What are you guys doing? Hi, Daniel's mom. Dad. We don't even see. Hi, Scott. And the cutest of them all. So today we're in Chico and we're on a walk on the trails. We have a few hours before dinner, Thanksgiving dinner, and so we're just enjoying the trails and the beauty of this place. So let's turn the camera around so you can see it.
There we go.
Love it.
It's a beautiful autumn day.
It's beautiful and it's really autumn here. And this is really cool. So first I've actually seen a plaque that says Heritage Street. This is so tiny! Lovely bridge.
Across a babbling brook. Taking in some of that NorCal flavor.
It smells so good. Love it. Love the light, nature, beautiful birds that we're seeing.
Crisp, cool air.
Yeah, perfect. It's like perfect weather. Oh, it's good.
Daniel, did you have your brownie yet?
I tried one, yeah.
Okay.
Anybody else?
I think it's your turn.
Brownies? Taking the pie, huh?
It looks very filling though.
We spent the morning walking around Hayes Valley and enjoying the beautiful Victorian architecture. This area has some really cute boutiques and restaurants, so make sure you check them out. We were there pretty pretty early, so we ended up at the park across the street from the famous Painted Ladies, the 6 Victorian homes featured in the Full House intro. Victorian architecture is known for its detail, so we got a close-up view of all these beautiful details, the stained glass windows, the wrought iron work, all the beautiful colors on the houses. We also saw this beautiful stained glass door that looked original, and these beautiful hummingbirds just came up to us as we were filming. And this is the closest that we've ever been to the hummingbirds and the best footage that I've gotten so far.
About to take a tour of the Winchester Mystery House.
The heiress to the Winchester Rifle Company was haunted by the victims that had been killed by Winchester rifles. To confuse the spirits haunting her, she decided to keep building. There are doors and stairs that lead nowhere. You will also see lots of Victorian details such as stained glass, beautiful wood craftsmanship, all handmade at the time. My favorite room was the plant conservatory. Across the street is Santana Row, which is a premier outdoor shopping destination. We ended up going to Ozumo Sushi. It was wonderful, and it was also beautifully decorated for the holidays. We had a lovely time in Northern California. The next day we headed home.
So dainty.
Really?